Best Small Meeting Room Product, and the finalists are Audio Codes, HP, Jabra.
Hi, I'm Tim Banting, Head of Research and Business Intelligence at Today Digital. I was one of the judges evaluating several categories this year in our UC Awards 2025. When reviewing the submissions, I focused on 5 key areas: how innovative the solution was, if it clearly solved a real customer or business problem, what made it stand out from the other solutions, and crucially, whether the claim made was backed up with solid evidence. I was looking for entries that showed real impact, ideally with customer data, customer stories, or perhaps proof of traction in the market. The strongest submissions were those that effectively connected the dots between the product, the customer, and the outcome. Overall, it was great to see the level of engagement and innovation across the board. Thanks to everyone who entered. It's been a real privilege to be part of the process. And the winner for Best Small Meeting Room Product is HP. The judges would also like to highly commend Jabra.